Hi guys, my name is Naita. I'm a YouTuber based in Nigeria and this is my first food vlog. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make the Nigerian Akara ball. This is a snack and also a heavy meal depending on what you pair it. First, you're going to have to wash your beans and soak for a while so your beans is soft and you have something like this. This is a relatively small meal portion, so I'm using just one pepper and a small onion. Pardon the village girl in me, but I do not use blender for my Akara. I pound with mortar and pestle. When you've successfully broken your beans into tiny pieces, you want to add your pepper and your sliced onion. Pound this until you can barely see the sliced onion and pepper. The moisture from the onion is going to help in smoothing the batter, so don't worry about water yet. Go ahead to add salt to taste. Add water and swirl. When you add water, you stop pounding and start swirling. We are doing this to make our batter fluffy and to further smoothen it. The more you swirl, the fluffier your batter becomes. I'm going to be frying with palm oil today. I was skeptical about this initially, but it turned out perfect. This right here is my favorite part, the scooping. You can see I have a special spoon I use in scooping. It makes me feel like a professional akara maker. I don't know. Scoop into your hot oil. Wait until that side is golden brown before flipping. You're going to flip a couple of times until you get that intense golden brown color. If you're paying close attention, you realize that before I flip, the akara balls seem as if they have some form of texture on top of them. You will notice that the akara is not looking so fine and smooth on the surface like it's doing skincare. That is what you want. You're not frying buns, you're frying akara. It's supposed to have texture. That is what will give you that crunch when you bite into it. If you beat your akara and you don't get the crunch, you fried buns. When you're satisfied with the color of the akara balls, you can get them and off. Just like that, you have a beautiful crunchy golden brown akara balls for breakfast. And this was perfect. The crunch, the taste, everything was 110. I know the issue for most of you will be the pounding, but trust me, it is worth it. You cannot compare a pound butter to a blended butter. With it, I made custard, which made it somewhat heavy for breakfast and made me lazy for the rest of the day. Like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment and remember to hit the notification bell and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Try this and tell me how it came. Until I see you next time, bye my love.